Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to pair Bluetooth headphone to our Samsung phone. Guys, we want to pair this Bluetooth headphone. So as you can pair it, and guys now let's see how to pair Bluetooth headphone to our Samsung phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you need my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all you can subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now time to start video. First of all, open your phone setting to pair this headphone. Guys, click on your connection setting and guys click on your Bluetooth setting. Then guys we will on our headphones and we will on it. So our device is ready to pair. With refresh. Then guys you can see this both headphone name. So guys click on your headphone name and guys you can see pairing. Then guys you can see this pair notification. So as you want to pair, so guys click on pair, then it will pair to your Samsung phone. So as you can see this could not connect, so but don't worry guys, again click pair option. So guys now we have paired this headphone Bluetooth to your Samsung phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair Bluetooth headphone to our Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet in the next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye.